So, at last, here we are. This is day 30 of me learning to paint with gouache. And to be honest, I didn't even imagine being over here learning a lot about gouache, its tips and tricks, and this was an amazing journey. And when I started this series, I thought that I wouldn't be able to complete it because of my really busy schedule, but here we are. And this painting was a really hard one because the one thing was that the photo, you had to make it exactly just like the photo I had to paint it. And the second thing was the time it took for me to do this. It was literally 4 hours and it was really exhausting. But this was day 30 and I knew I had to do something special, either be it a 4 hour long painting or be it 50 hours. And as this journey ends, don't know if I have any motive and what should to make a video for next. But I have some ideas, so make sure to follow along. And this painting was really nice when I started to outline the eyes and the lips. And wait when I make the dress because it looks awesome. And as this ends, I'll see you in my next series. So goodbye.